Hello everyone, myself Hussein HASIM. Today I'm from ADS branch and my topic is chocolates and I'm doing the seminar of Innovation Design Thinking workshop. So as I said, my name is Hussein HASIM and I'm from ADS branch first year and my startup company is Red Cosmetics and my product name is chocolates and product proposed name is Choco Chocolates and empathizing. It's easy to feel for chocolates, they always seem to melt away too quickly, but really they bring so much of joy and comfort to people. And understanding the sentiment behind someone's love for the chocolates can be seen as form of empathy. People often associate chocolate with comfort, joy, and in yet so empathizing with their affection for chocolates could mean at least appreciating those feelings they associate with them. Define exciting product chocolate and futuristic product choco chocolates. And I did understanding the bond people have with chocolate is fascinating. They are more than just sweet. They carry memories and emotion, making them a comfortable presence in our life. From childhood treats to moments in events, chocolates often accompany our celebration, comfort, and even our memories of solace. So these are some chocolates images, and I request the viewers of this presentation your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. And thank you to one and all.